Hey everyone, welcome back to the Canning Nana channel. Um, so my week has not gone as planned. Very suddenly and very unexpectedly, my husband was admitted to the hospital, where he is now. He's going to have surgery on Friday. Um, Happened super quick. So, um, our world was turned upside down in a day. Um, Everything will be fine. But the videos that I plan for this week will obviously not be coming. Um, I may come back home tomorrow to dehydrate my mango and my pineapple. My mango is dying here. I haven't been home in 2 days. That's why you guys haven't heard from me or anything. Um, we did manage to move the tables around a little bit and get a microwave. So um, yeah, just really super unexpected. Boy, life just changes in a second. Um, so yeah, we're doing fine. He's doing fine. He's going to be okay, but he will be in the hospital until Monday. So that means that I'm going to stay at the hospital with him. I'm home tonight. Tonight's the only night I'm going to be home. So oh, if you pray, please say a prayer for us, for Jack and Diane. My husband is Jack. That everything goes smoothly and he has restored health, and to guide the surgeons. That would be really wonderful if you guys can do that for us. We have a lot of people praying for us, and I know we're going to get through this. It's going to be a little bit of a change. And I'll tell you guys what happened, in down the road a little bit. I mean, it's just really unexpected. That's all I can say right now. It's really threw us for a loop. So anyway, I will try. I've got the tomatoes in the refrigerator. I've already seen mold in some of the tomatoes, so I think I'm not going to can the kumatos. I'm probably going to dehydrate them, and I'm really sorry. I'll get more kumatos to can, and you guys can watch me do that. But my first priority is my family, and we need to, do what we have to do. So I just wanted to know, to you guys, to let you know what was going on and why you haven't seen any videos from me this week after posting the update and what's coming for this week. I was really excited and I have all this stuff, and yeah, I was gonna can beans and chicken breasts too. And then do something with these amazing pomegranates right here. These guys are, look at, this is my hand. I mean, look at that. These are huge, humongous pomegranates. I'm a pomegranate fiend. I eat one a day. Not this size. I eat about half of that a day when it's pomegranate season. So that and figs, and I'm set. That I can live on that. So anyway, oh boy, I really wanted to get another video in, a really important video, and everything that I planned in my update will still be coming. It's just going to be delayed, probably by a week. Hopefully he'll be home on Monday, and hopefully by Tuesday I can get back and making videos and stuff. So I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate everybody who's been donating to my PayPal. I can't even tell you what that means. And that's why I feel really bad, because I haven't done the videos that I said I was going to do this week. But, life happens, and we pick up where we left off, after the crisis, and we'll be fine. We just got to get through this little hurdle, and then we'll be good. So, yeah, thank you guys for donating, and the support and encouragement I've been getting in emails. You guys are the best people. Yeah, I have the best friends on YouTube. I really do. My viewers are 100% fantastic, and I love all of you guys. I really do. And I mean that. I'm not just saying that. I really, really mean that. Um, when I asked for $2 donations, you guys just really came through, and that's all going to go back into my channel. It is. I mean, life will settle down, and I will be canning next week. I can guarantee that. So we'll be back. We'll be back on our feet, and I will give you updates as I can. um, I'm going to be at the hospital most of my time from tomorrow morning on through the weekend. So you probably won't hear a lot from me for the next few days, but look for a video on Tuesday, okay? And thanks for watching, you guys. Thanks for supporting, and just thanks for staying around and watching my channel grow. I really appreciate all of you guys. And you will hear from me soon, and we'll get all this canning videos and dehydrating videos and everything done. I promise. We're gonna do this. It just got delayed by about a week, and I'm really, really sorry. So I will update you guys soon. After Friday's surgery, I'll update on my husband, because I know that there's a lot of you guys out there that really care, and are praying for us, and I really appreciate the prayers. We can use all the prayers that we can get to get through this. Thank you guys, and I will see you soon.